These ancient imprints define how galaxies, stars, and planets formed. They map the seeds of all cosmic structures. Each detail pushes humanity closer to answering profound questions. Why does the universe exist? And how did it come to look the way it does? The CMB is the closest thing we have to a time machine, illuminating the unknowns of existence. Curious about how we'll unlock more secrets of the cosmos? Learn how these discoveries shape our understanding of reality and what mysteries might still unfold. The universe's story is vast, but the adventure of discovery is ongoing. Like share and follow to explore the wonders of space together. Let's journey through time and space to uncover the ultimate questions about our origins.